Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over the bulk editor tool and attributes and tags. So the bulk editor tool is a new tool that Heartland just came out with. I think it's great. It's super helpful if you're wanting to make bulk changes instead of having to go into each individual item. So for this, you're going to want to go to the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us. And then you want to go to your menu at the top left. And then you want to go to account menu. And then all the way down the bottom is bulk editor. Once you're here, you're going to see a field for record type. And this is a drop down. You just click in here and it shows you all the areas that you can bulk edit. I'm not going to go over every single area in this video. I'm only going to go over the attributes and tags. So if you see another area here you want to know more about, please go search for my other videos on it. So for this one, we'll go into attributes and tags. And if you aren't sure what attributes and tags are used for, please go see my video on attributes and tags where I explain more about it. These are the attributes and tags that I have created so far. Now there is a search field because some places have, some places use a lot of tags and a lot of different attributes. So the search bar is on every area, so it is helpful if you have that many. You have the option to add new here. If you do, then you add the name, whether or not it's an attribute or not. If you leave the attribute unchecked, it assumes that it is a tag. And then you put a checkbox whether or not you want it to be available online or not. If you want to delete, then you hit the X button to delete. Now here gives you a list of all your current attributes and tags, where you can edit the name in bulk if you wanted to edit all the names. And then you can check whether or not, like this keto one here should have been an attribute. So you can check whether or not it's an attribute or not, and then whether or not you want them to be available online. Don't forget to hit the save button when you're done, and then confirm save. Make sure you get that save successful tag showing up at the bottom, and then don't forget to hit publish changes. Otherwise, it won't show up online or on the workstations. I hope this video was helpful. That's all I have for this one. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.